Hello everyone, it's Joe from OnePageZen.com, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix FTP permission errors that may occur while trying to edit your Google Cloud Platform files using an FTP client such as FileZilla. So as you can see here, I am right now connected to my website instance on Google Cloud Platform through FileZilla, and I have my website files opened here. I'm in my sites available, and I'm going to edit my WordPress configuration file here. So I'm going to go to View, Edit. All right, now the file came up here, and I'm just going to make a slight edit to the file for this example. So I'm putting a pound sign at the end. I'm going to click the Save button, minimize this, and now you see here my FTP client, FileZilla, is showing me that the file has changed what I'd like to upload the edited file. So I'm going to select Yes. And now you notice here that I got a permission denied error when I tried to upload the file to my server. In order to fix the permission denied error, I'm going to go to my Google Cloud Platform website. I'm going to go to the hamburger menu, to Compute Engine, and then to VM Instances. And I'm going to connect to my VM instance here. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run a stat command here. And what this command is going to do, this command right here, it's going to tell me what the default permissions are for this file right here, for the WordPress configuration file. So I'm going to enter that command, press enter, and you can see here the default permissions on that file are 644. And 644 is not sufficient to edit the file via FileZilla. So the next command I'm going to run is a chmod command. And you can see here it's sudo chmod 777. Now the 777 is the highest level of permission that you can give to a file. So if you're running a Google Cloud Platform project with multiple administrators, using 777 is not necessarily a best practice. However, if it's just you as the administrator for your website, it shouldn't be an issue. Also, you can change these numbers back after you've made changes to the file, so remember that as well. So I'm going to run this, and now you can see here that the permissions for the WordPress configuration file have changed from 644 to 777. Now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to restart Apache here. So I'm going to do sudo service all right, and that command is going to restart Apache. Perfect. Now I'm going to go back to my FileZilla client, and I'm going to reconnect. All right. Now I'm going to go back to that file, to my WordPress configuration file that I was trying to edit earlier. I'm going to open that up again. Now I'm going to put the pound sign in, click the Save button, and choose Yes. And there you go. You can see here it says File Transfer Successful. So now that the permissions have been changed from 644 to 777, you will be able to edit the file in your FTP client. If you wanted to change back the file permissions, you could open up the terminal again, and basically you would do the chmod command again. So I'm going to do 644 now instead of 777, and I'm going to copy this file path. I'm going to paste that again, and just do a quick restart here again. All right, now let's go back to FileZilla, and I'm going to try and edit the file again. All right, I'm going to add another # just to make a quick change. I'm going to click the Save button, click Yes, and you can see here again, now that I've changed the permissions in the terminal, now I'm getting the permission denied error again. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. Also, if you're using one of the Bitnami stacks on Google Cloud platforms, such as WordPress Bitnami, your command to restart your server will be different. So check out this tutorial on onepagezen.com to view each of these commands listed individually, also with a little more detail added. Thanks a lot for watching.